Attention everyone. Merced County Fair starts in 119 days left. This will be the 2018 Merced County Fair. In this list below right here, you'll see some of the pictures of what the fair actually looks like. If you are in the Merced area, you guys will recognize this fair from year after year after year. Here I will be in this fair on Saturday, the day of the fair. You'll be able to meet me there. You just have to find me. However, if you are very interested in this fair, here is all the information below that you need to call them. You can find out other information about park hours and stuff here. Merced County Fair. It's the biggest show in town. You won't want to miss it.